Hello, everyone. Welcome to May 2026. It is time for a tech tip roundup. In this video, I am going to review the tech tips created for April 2026. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of April 6th, 2026, the tech tip shared resources that celebrate reading since April is School Library Month. Epic is a resource that contains a variety of books for students to read. The other items in this tip require a web subscription, so be sure to check if you have access. For the week of April 13th, 2026, this tech tip shared multiple updates to the Google Workspace for Education suite of applications. Google Classroom allows teachers and students to create video or audio recordings, which can facilitate a variety of projects. When working in Google Chrome, PDFs can now be directly saved into Google Drive through a new shortcut. There is also another shortcut in Google Chrome called Search Tab, and this option can be very helpful for checking recent web pages. For the week of April 20th, 2026, this tech tip is a repost of a tech tip shared twice so far this school year. Progress reports were required to be submitted in PowerSchool, and it is always helpful to have a reminder of the key aspects for completing this task. Finally, for the week of April 27th, 2026, this tech tip is also a repost of prior tips. NWEA map growth testing can lead to stress, especially when it is hard to remember the solutions to common problems. As such, I wanted to share the ways any user can troubleshoot these issues so that testing can be a calmer experience. That's all for April 2026's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.